Basic sentences with we are. We are fair. We are hot. We are lost. We are sad. We are just. We are kind. We are cold. We are quiet. We are cold. We are quiet. We are tired. We are brave. We are sorry. We are weak. We are polite. We are family. We are bored. We are found. We are social. We are losers. We are social. We are losers. We are caring. We are thirsty. We are happy. We are strong. We are helpful. We are united. We are in love. We are messy. We are artistic. We are honest. We are artistic. We are honest. We are scared. We are hungry. We are friends. We are a team. We are patient. We are flexible. We are leaders. We are reliable. We are excited. We are friendly. We are excited. We are friendly. We are curious. We are grateful. We are winners. We are patriotic. We are creative. We are thankful. We are positive. We are talented. We are negative. We are peaceful. We are negative. We are peaceful. We are talkative. We are cautious. We are partners. We are forgiving. We are followers. We are not alone. We are achievers. We are dreamers. We are analytical. We are generous. We are analytical. We are generous. We are persistent. We are optimistic. We are dedicated. We are adaptable. We are ambitious. We are intelligent. We are innovators. We are night owls. We are organized. We are neighbors. We are organized. We are neighbors. We are respectful. We are early birds. We are early risers. We are supportive. We are introverted. We are negotiators. We are law-abiding. We are pessimistic. We are colleagues. We are trustworthy. We are colleagues. We are trustworthy. We are extroverted. We are responsible. We are classmates. We are encouraged. We are motivational. We are standing tall. We are wiping tears. We are avid readers. We are fast runners. We are kind-hearted. We are fast runners. We are kind-hearted. We are team players. We are hard-working. We are adventurous. We are free thinkers. We are hard workers. We are peacemakers. We are avid travelers. We are open-minded. We are all connected. We are united as one. We are all connected. We are united as one. We are good listeners. We are understanding. We are global citizens. We are careful drivers. We are making history. We are caring parents. We are forging ahead. We are seizing the day. We are loving partners. We are compromising. We are loving partners. We are compromising. We are diligent writers. We are patient waiters. We are spreading love. We are grateful for life. We are staying humble. We are in this together. We are happy together. We are communicative. We are critical thinkers. We are critical thinkers. We are generous givers. We are problem solvers. We are curious learners. We are patient teachers. We are lifelong learners. We are morning people. We are problem solvers. We are forward thinkers. We are talented athletes. We are sharing laughter. We are sharing laughter. We are reliable siblings. We are offering support. We are building bridges. We are driving progress. We are leaving a legacy. We are defending rights. We are inspiring change. We are writing our story. We are growing stronger. We are breaking barriers. We are breaking barriers. We are health conscious. We are solution oriented. We are igniting passions. We are bound by destiny. We are facing challenges. We are respecting elders. We are safety conscious. We are focused students. We are skilled swimmers. We are radiating positivity. We are radiating positivity. We are fostering creativity. We are embracing change. We are living with purpose. We are weathering storms. We are promoting equality. We are supporting causes. We are night shift workers. We are respectful students. We are nurturing the young. We are embracing diversity. We are embracing diversity. We are creating memories. We are finding our passion. We are passionate singers. We are introverts by nature. We are responsible citizens. We are building friendships. We are celebrating cultures. We are striving for success. We are pushing boundaries. We are extroverts by nature. We are extroverts by nature. We are community-oriented. We are strengthening bonds. We are guided by principles. We are responsible children. We are celebrating victories. We are living in the moment. We are cherishing moments. We are preserving traditions. We are aiming for greatness. We are enthusiastic dancers. We are enthusiastic dancers. We are dedicated musicians. We are cherishing memories. We are learning from failures. We are striving for excellence. We are advocating for justice. We are enjoying the sunshine. We are giving back to society. We are accepting differences. We are determined achievers. We are embracing differences. We are embracing differences. We are overcoming obstacles. We are exploring the unknown. We are searching for meaning. We are learning from mistakes. We are preparing for the future. We are on. We are searching for meaning. We are learning from mistakes. We are preparing for the future. We are honest communicators. We are responsible pet owners. We are extending a helping hand. We are thankful for opportunities. We are celebrating achievements. We are celebrating achievements. We are sparking our imaginations. We are facing challenges together. We are environmentally conscious.